Okay, today we're going to do a pot roast. Just going to throw this together, see how it turns out. We've got some onion soup, some beef onion soup, some little carrots there, some red potatoes, of course my mango habanero rub, some onions, some rotel or diced tomatoes, whole white mushrooms, some celery, and of course garlic. And there's the crock pot. But first, we're going to apply our rub and then go brown this on the grill for about 15-20 minutes first. Okay, we did about 5 minutes a turn for 4 turns, total of 20 minutes. Got a little bit of a crisscross pattern on there, which is what I wanted. Now we're going to move it into the crock pot. Okay, inside the crock pot I have some about a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic. We're going to have it on high for about 4 hours total. This should be pretty good. So for the first 2 hours, we're going to just have the meat and the harder veggies like the potatoes and the carrots, because those take longer to cook. We're going to cook those for 2 hours, and then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. Should turn out pretty good. Okay, next we're going to add in our packet of onion soup mix. Just go ahead and get that all in there. And then we're going to add in our beefy onion soup mix. About half of this, not the whole thing, because we're going to add in some other stock here shortly. That's all added into our hard veggies, and we're going to let this simmer. Next, we're going to add in about half a cup of bone broth. Just get that all in there. Okay. Put the lid on and wait for 2 hours. Okay, we're going to add about 3 bay leaves and a couple of teaspoons of rosemary. Not like that. Maybe a teaspoon. And overpower it. Don't want to do that. All right. Let's get her sealed up. See you in a couple hours. Been a couple hours. We're going to mix in our soft veggies. That's our onions, our celery, our mushrooms, our diced tomatoes, and we're going to cover this for another couple hours, and we should be close to being done. Okay, we're about 30 minutes out from this being done. One thing I like to do right at the end here, oh look at that, how good that looks, huh? Perfect. Look at this meat just falling apart, just like we like it. All right, so one of the final things I like to do here is add a tiny bit of malt vinegar. About that much. Mix that in at the last minute, gives it a nice tangy finish. This will be good. Okay, we are done. It's been about 4 hours. We're going to scoop some into a bowl here. Let's get some of these veggies. There we go. And let's get a chunk of meat here. Look at that. Okay. Get some potatoes in there, and we are set.